begin in Ghana, West Africa, right? Did we have a good day last night? Absolutely. It's a beautiful day. Everybody have their booklets today. Raise your hand, put your book up in the air, wave it like you just don't care. Huh? Yeah. Well, if you don't have your book, it's all right. We're not going to make you bad and wrong for not having your book. However, bring your book. And those who have your books, you know what we do. It's time for our daily affirmations. As we take out on this journey today, I'm excited and ignited. I made some strong connections with my brothers and sisters yesterday, individually and collectively. We've been building in consciousness, mind, body, and spirit. But the way I feel, brothers and sisters, is every thought is a prayer. You don't have to prostrate, put your head down, take any particular position, but if you want to, it's all right. But as long as our thoughts are aligned and positive, like we said, yesterday, African people are getting better and better. And it begins with me. And you don't have to necessarily accept it, but it will be reflected in consciousness. So today, day number 2, I'm going to say the affirmation, and you can remember it. It's a short one. I am a radiant African being, filled with love and light. Let that marinate for a moment. I'm going to say it one more again. I am a radiant African being, filled with love and light. You take that for you 3 times with feeling, please. I am a radiant African being, filled with love and light. I am a radiant African being, filled with love and light. I am a radiant African being, filled with love and light. Light is love and love is light. Let your light shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Here's the thing about shining, folks. You're glowing already. You're growing and you're glowing. We're light. We're energy. We're energetic beings. Yeah, and we're infinite. Thank you for grabbing me, baby. Don't let me fall. Yeah, we're radiant African beings filled with love and light. And as we come forth here home, our light is shining brightly and is being reflected back to us, blessed and multiplied, in a never-ending cycle of increase and enjoyment. So enjoy this day and let your light shine. Because SAS gonna let her shine, all right? Have a great day, radiant African beings filled with love and light. Hey, little Bomani, you're radiant African beings, son, and you're filled with love and light. As you wake up this day, you are a leader. You are part of the team. I saw your name in the program, and we love you, son. And we want your light to shine always. Okay, Bomani? Okay?
Say yes. No head signal.
Something you want to say? You have a great day too, all right?
All right.
And keep letting those lights shine through your eyes. Look at those beautiful eyes. Thank you, Bomani. You got a fine son, and I'm proud of you. Ashe? Ashe?
Ashe.
Ashe. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you, Lady SAS.